And it's best that you are prepared.
Yes,
Okay.
prepared for any eventuality.
How hard will the preparation be? SP, I have to ask ka, since hindi po kayo lawyer, SP, and you will be the presiding justice po.
Even though, I don't see that as a problem, because the rules of the Senate are involved in the impeachment rules that the Senate has passed before, and if ever we do use it again, yun pa rin yun. And suppletory ang rules of court. That's why I said that mas importante rin na mag-brush up ako doon. I don't see a problem with that. The important thing is that the presiding officer knows what's going on and what will go on.
So, hindi extra hirap for you, kahit na hindi kayo lawyer? Kumbaga, hindi extra challenge for
Hindi
you?
naman. Hindi siguro. Review lang.
Sir, did you recommend the same to the other senators na mag-brush up na kayo with rules of court?
Yes. Actually, yes, that was the intent of my, one of the intents, one of the reasons why I hosted a dinner with some of the senators who were available to join us. Most of them, and all of them were in the majority na nakausap ng staff eh. Yung mga COS naman na pinagsabihan ko kung sino mga available eh. I told them about that. Sabi ko, mas maganda, just in case, umakyat sa atin, mabuti na yung nakahanda tayo, hindi pwedeng mangangapa tayo at mangangapa din ang mga senador. Because there are issues that the presiding officer may throw to the body, or there may be an objection from any of the members that we should be able to know how to address these objections.
Ilan po nakarating na rin? Ilan po nakarating?
8 or 9.
Majority.
All majority. Black members.
Oh yeah, all majority. May mga na-late, dalawa who were coming late, so hindi na tumuloy.
And can we say that majority of the senators are also preparing based on your
I think so.
advice?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm sure they are. I'm sure they are. Para just in case nga. Right now, we don't know. We don't know if the House will pass the articles of impeachment. If they will find probable cause. Right now, tutuusin there is a vacuum. So mahirap magbigay ng komentaryo tungkol dyan except that we have to wait